Everyone. Today's question of discussion from philosophy paper would be question number 5. Is expressivism about epistemic normativity tenable? Expressivism in philosophy, particularly in the context of epistemic normativity, is a complex and debated topic. Expressivism generally holds that moral or epistemic statements do not primarily express beliefs or propositions, but rather express attitudes, emotions, or prescriptions. So, in case of epistemic normativity, it deals with the norms and values governing the belief and knowledge. Whether it's the expressivism about epistemic normativity is tenable depends on one's philosophical perspective. Some philosophers argue in favor of expressivism in this context, while others have raised objections. So now we are going to discuss some arguments in favor of tenable epistemic expressivism. So first one would be explaining the normative languages. That would be the only argument under this. So, explaining normative language includes expressivism, which provides an account of normative language. Like example, justified, rational, that doesn't rely on the existence of objective epistemic facts. So, it interprets these terms as expressing attitudes or prescriptions rather than describing objective states of affairs. And what are the arguments against the tenable epistemic expressivism? These epistemic realism, it includes the critics who argue that there are good reasons to believe in epistemic realism, which posits that there are objective facts about epistemic norms and values. So they contend that expressivism cannot adequately account for the objectivity of epistemic norms. Second would be explanatory challenges. Now, some philosophers find it quite challenging to provide a satisfactory expressivist account that can explain various aspects of epistemic discourse and practice, such as disagreement or reasoning and the role of evidence. Thirdly, it would be alternative theories. Now, alternative theories like epistemic naturalism or epistemic constructivism offer different approaches to understanding the epistemic normativity without relying on expressivism. So, summarizing the fact, we can say whether expressivism about epistemic normativity is tenable, it also remains a topic of ongoing philosophical debate. So it again depends on one's philosophical commitments and the ability of expressivist theories to address the challenges and also provide a coherent account of the epistemic norms and values. So different philosophers may have different views on this viability of the approach. So yeah, that was it for today's class. We are going to meet once again in the next classes.